Hello, my name is Holly Turnbull. I'm currently completing a behaviour modification class at the University of New England. In this class, we are learning how to use behaviour modification principles to alter a behaviour. In this case, we are going to apply them to decrease excessive drinking behaviours by creating an intervention program. Many individuals drink despite knowing the detrimental effects it can have on their mental and physical health. Behaviour modification principles can help alter excessive drinking behaviours. One of the first steps is identifying the ABC of the behaviour. Firstly, the A is the antecedent, in which is what triggers the behaviour. The B is the behaviour, which is excessive drinking in this case. The C is the consequence of maintaining this behaviour, such as affecting mental health and relationships with those that are closest to us. To help us understand this, we use functional assessment. In this case, the technique of interviewing, where we gain an understanding about their behaviour, why it occurs, how often it occurs, and have they tried to alter it previously. In conjunction of this, we have a week of baseline assessment, where the individuals report their current feelings and emotions, level of drinking, and social environment. We use this information to gain an understanding of the effects of excessive drinking, what is triggering it, and what is maintaining it. The technique of self-management and self-monitoring allows an individual to record every time they engage in excessive drinking. This allows us to measure the rate of the behaviour, the emotions and feelings attached to it, and understand and evaluate if the principles being applied are effective throughout the intervention program. Another behaviour modification is behavioural contract, which is a written agreement that allows for an accountability partner in terms of excessive drinking. The contract may state that the individual is to be in bed by 12 and only spend a maximum amount of $20 at the pub. It will then state the consequences that will be enforced if the contract is disobeyed and the drinking goals are not met. This is a very effective technique in decreasing excessive drinking behaviours. Further techniques are stimulus prompts, such as verbal prompts, from friends to remind the individual to order a non-alcoholic beverage or remove themselves from the social environment to avoid further intoxication. An extra stimulus prompt of holding water is a further modification to avoid drinking more alcohol, whilst decreasing social anxiety through the comfort of holding an object. Differential reinforcement of alternative behaviour can be addressing the issue of social anxiety causing drinking behaviours. We can apply alternative behaviours such as mindfulness and meditation to help reduce anxiety. Adapting these behaviours may help the individual from relapsing into excessive drinking behaviours in the long run. Reinforcement of positive behaviour can also be achieved through self-praise and praise from friends and family around recent behaviours when engaging in drinking. The aspect of reinforcement is an important element of this intervention program and should be applied when the individual meets their goal in engaging in more appropriate drinking behaviours. Therefore, these behaviour modification techniques are greatly effective on improving excessive drinking levels in social environments of an individual. I hope this helps. Best of luck. Thank you for listening.